Did you know that the name Google was actually because of a typo? And that world's richest man in 2020, Jeff Bezos' company Amazon, actually started off as Kadabra, and that Zara had started off as Zorba. Watch this video till the end to learn interesting fun facts about these three companies, Amazon, Google and Zara, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and to press the bell icon for more inspiring videos. So let's get started. तो नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं कॉन्फिडेंस कोच अभय वलसंकर और मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं फन फ्राइडेज में, जहां पे मैं लेके आता हूं कुछ ऐसे फन फैक्ट्स अबाउट टॉप कंपनीज, टॉप ब्रांड्स, जिसे सुनकर आपके जिंदगी में जरूर वैल्यू ऐड हो। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। तो आज हम सबसे पहले देखेंगे गूगल को। अगर हमें जिंदगी में कुछ भी चाहिए, if we need to search anything, the first thing that we do is we Google. But then here's a fun fact about Google itself. So when Google was founded, the two co-founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, actually started with a company called as Backrub. Yes, Google was first Backrub. And when they decided that Backrub is somehow not going to help us to brand, they called for a brainstorming sessions pure team ke saath. And they decided what is it that the core that we do at Google, which is nothing but data. So let us come out with a word which is suitable to the amount of data that we handle every single day. So the team started working on the table, they started coming up with different names, and then came the first suggestion, which was nothing but Googleplex. Now Googleplex is nothing but a very big word which has to do with a lot of data. And then Larry Page shortened it to the word Google. So G-O-O-G-O-L, Google, which means nothing but 1 followed by 100 zeros. And they thought maybe this was the name. So Google was actually supposed to be Google in that moment. And then when one of the engineers at the team, he went to check for the domain, galti se while writing Google, he had a typo and he mentioned Google. And he saw if that domain was available. And yes, that domain was available. Larry Page saw that and he thought that Google was actually better than Google. And that's how the whole concept of Google came into the picture, which was nothing but a typo. So next time when you are doing something and if you get a typo, you don't know, maybe that's the next $1 million idea that you get there. So make sure to go ahead with that. So this was the first one, a fun, interesting fact about Google, how it got its name. Now let us come towards the second fact. How many of you know that Jeff Bezos, considered to be the world's richest man currently, started a company which was called as Kadabra? And yes, it comes from the phrase which we have heard when we do a magic trick, abracadabra. And this was a very interesting story. So once the company Kadabra was born, as he was dealing with his lawyers, he mentioned about it to the lawyers saying this is the company Kadabra, and all the legal issues were all sorted out. At that point, the lawyer heard the word Kadabra as Kadaver and he misinterpreted it. And at that point, when Jeff Bezos got to know, he felt that it's not something that I want to do now because people are not able to connect with this word. And if my lawyer is not able to connect, then definitely the whole world will never ever connect to this word. So he decided to do something different. He decided to rebrand his company in a different way. So this is what he did. He got a dictionary in front of him. And dictionary mein he started looking at different words, what is suitable. And in that, he found a word which was Amazon. Now there were two reasons why he decided to go ahead with Amazon. First, Amazon was the largest river and he wanted to signify that even his company, Amazon, which was primarily into books at that time, he wanted to make sure that this company becomes the biggest, the largest company when it comes to in the form of a bookstore. And that's how he decided, first, let us go ahead with Amazon. The second reason being, he thought कि जब कभी companies का listing होगा, अगर alphabetically सभी companies को हम list करते हैं, so it starts with A and then Amazon would probably be at the top of all other companies. And that's why he decided that let's go for Amazon. And that is how early days it was Kadabra, and then eventually it became Amazon. Today, it is one of the biggest companies with Jeff Bezos being the richest man in the world. So that was the story about Amazon, how it got its name. Now let us come towards the third story for the day, which is nothing but about Zara. Now Zara today is one of the most famous fashion brands, but very few people know about it. And when it was first started in the year 1975, and it was started by a person called as Amancio Ortega in Spain. Now he started with a small shop, whose name was Zorba. Yes, it was not Zara, it was Zorba. And this name Zorba actually came from a movie which was called as Zorba the Greek. And he started branding, he started his store. And within a few months, he realized कि just 2 blocks छोड़ के, there was also a restaurant and a bar which was called with the same name. Now, the owner of that bar came and had a word with Amancio. You know what? We are a small town, and if we have two stores with the same name, that would create a lot of confusion. So, I would request you to please change your name to something else. Now, when this was heard by Amancio Ortega, he said to the other person in a very simple way that, you know what, मैंने खुद अपने branding के लिए already letters, सारे molds ready कर दिए हैं, and now it's a little challenging to change the name. So again, the owner of the bar requested, please do whatever possible. So this is what the owner of Zara did, that he looked at the word Zorba, जितने भी alphabets थे, और उसने सोचा यार ये alphabets में से मैं कुछ delete करूँ, कुछ add करके अगर देखूँ, जो मेरे पास existing mold है उसमें से, तो maybe I can find out a new name. And that's how Zorba में से O निकल गया, A add हो गया, and then with the additional set of mold that he had, he brought an A towards the end, and that is how Zara came into the picture, eliminating O, eliminating B, and then Zorba became Zara. And later on, it went on to become the biggest fashion label ever in the whole world, and that's the interesting story about Zara. So let's quickly revise कि आज अपने 3 कौन से fun facts देखे Fun Fridays में. Number 1 was about Google, that how from being bankrupt to then being Googleplex to then being Google, and then because of a typo coming to Google. That was the first fun fact that we saw. The second was about Amazon, that how it started in 1994 first as Cadabra, but then because the name wasn't sounding great, he then shifted it to Amazon because it wanted it to be the biggest bookstore in the world, and the rest is history. And the third what we saw was about Zara, how it started its store as a Zorba, but then because same name का एक बार था just बगल में, he changed the name to Zara. So I hope कि इस information से आपको जरूर value मिली हो. So let me know how did you find these 3 interesting stories, and if you have any other thing which you want to share with us, please mention in the comments below. So मैं उसके ऊपर अगला वीडियो जरूर बना पाऊंगा. So thank you so much for watching this till the end. I would request you to like this channel, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring videos. Thank you and keep watching.